this is my plane. It took me 3 days to make. First, I thought I would make a refueler plane that refuels planes midair. And then I thought this should be a cargo plane. So I made it a cargo plane. And now I'm thinking it should be a passenger plane. So I'm planning to make it a passenger plane. And I tried to make as much detail as I could on the engines. And you have the little thing at the back that comes out of all planes. And the reason I have to turn it like with the nose up is because the front landing gear does not have any thing to turn it, so it will not turn and it will break the front landing gear. And I used a hanger at the bottom so the wings did not collapse. I have to be very careful with it. And yeah, I made it of cardboard and out of hot glue and out of tape and some Lego. Legos for the landing gears. This is just a backup landing gear. And I'm very happy with it. And I'll turn it around. Careful. Yeah. So you can see the back of it. I thought making the nose and the tail was gonna be the hardest part, but the hardest part was actually doing the wings and the engines. And also, so this is where it's cargo. This is where the cargo comes in, and I don't have any in there right now, but yeah, that's where it comes in. I'm very proud of it. Yeah. So this is how the plane comes in, and stuff in, and same thing to take it out. Oh, besides, it has a very great tilting angle. This should be banned. No plane tilts at this angle. It's way too. Yeah, my landing gear failed, so fixing it on. I'm gonna put it this. This is the part that always falls, so I'm gonna tape that. Okay, and this is my system that brings planes inside. It's not very big, so this is the boarding thing. So people come in, pilots come in, crew members come in, and that's where every commercial plane, some big military planes have them. It's directly from the airport. Cargo comes in like that. Requesting pushback. So pushback is, so planes cannot go backwards, and they need to go backwards to get out of a gate. So, and then special cars come, they bring the plane back, and then they turn it. Well, mine is just gonna push it back all the way across the whole runway, and then it comes out, and then the car goes away, and the pushback happens by like the plane's wheels come inside because the car backs up, and then it cannot come outside. So I have to lift it to bring it out. And yeah, it's really fun. I really like it. Oh. Requesting landing clearance. Landing is approved. Not very realistic turn. Touchdown, brake, spoilers, reverse thrusters. Okay, that's all done. Push the nose up because we have to. And then somehow I need to do this. Okay. And shutting off engine 1. Engine 1 has been shut off. Shut off engine 2. Engine 2 has been shut off. Everybody get off, and everyone comes into the airport, and then all the electricity off, and then yeah, done. Full flight. The crash scenario.